Guys, up next is the 23 Absolute Football 2 Mega Box break. Good luck to everybody. Now's the time to get your spots. PYT 439. 42 cards per box, 1 auto or mem per box on average as well. 6 parallels, 2 inserts, 6 packs per box, 7 cards per pack. We're looking for those ultra rare kabooms or explosive inserts in here as well. Grab your teams. There are spots available. Now's the time to get them. And that link is pinned in the chat. All our retail breaks are on the website. eBay no longer allows retail breaks, mega boxes, blasters, retail boxes. So we provide them on jackpotbreakers.com. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody, in this one. Let's see if we can get a kaboom or two out of here. Maybe hit some autos. We got Derek Carr, Treylon Burks, Joe Mixon, DJ Moore, Peter Skoronski, rookie, Jalen Carter. There's Devonta Smith, and a kid reporter card. Gold parallel on Smith. And the next pack. There's Brock Purdy, Keenan Allen, Jordan Love, CeeDee Lamb, Derek Hall, Hendon Hooker, and we got Chad Ryland. Again, each one of these boxes should have either a mem or an auto. There's Alvin Kamara, Ryan Tannehill, David Montgomery, Zach Harrison, Tyler Scott. There's an explosive of Kyler Murray. There we go. That's one of the ultra rare inserts. One to the Cardinals spot. On the explosive there. And we got Tony Pollard. All right, our next pack. Got Baker Mayfield, Jerry Jeudy, Nick Chubb, Saquon Barkley, Adebayo for the Colts, Emmanuel Forbes for the Commanders, and Josh Allen. Geno Smith, Drake London, Jared Goff. We got Brenton Strange, Trey Tucker. And looks like we're going to have a mem here. That is a rookie force mem. Josh Downs for the Colts. We have Kalijah Cansey and a kid reporter card. I sit there for the Cardinals spot on that explosive. Next pack. See if we can get a kaboom out of this next box here too, because we got the 2 boxes: Juju Smith-Schuster, Rashad White, Russell Wilson, Mekhi Blackman, Darnell Wright, Darren Waller on the draft diamonds, and Adam Thielen. Next pack. Got Aaron Jones, Derek Carr, Treylon Burks. Go backwards here. Odell Beckham. By storm on the Marvin Mims. We got Quentin Johnston, Luke Musgrave, Kid Reporter card. And we got, what, 5 packs left? We're halfway there. Joe Mixon, DJ Moore, Brock Purdy, Keenan Allen. There's a Bryce Young, Jaron Hall, and Derrick Henry. Next pack, we got 3 packs left after this one. There's Jordan Love, CeeDee Lamb, Alvin Kamara. We have Joey Porter Jr., Dalton Kincaid on the Mim for the Bills, Josh Downs, Jair Brown, Kid Reporter card. Last 3 packs. That Cardinal spot was $3.49. Ryan Tannehill, David Montgomery, Baker Mayfield. We have Aaron Rodgers, Draft Diamonds, Keenan Allen, pick 76. Will Levis, Jartavius Martin, last 2 packs. We have Jerry Jeudy, Nick Chubb, Saquon Barkley, Geno Smith, Deontay Banks, Hunter Luepke, Marquise Brown, and a Kid Reporter card. And our last pack. And it's Tyree Wilson to start us off on this one. Yaya Diaby, Sean Clifford. And then our base, Drake London, Jared Goff, Juju Smith-Schuster, Rashad White. We'll get these top loaded here, then we'll do our recap. Up next, after this one, going to be our Revolution NBA. Revolution NBA coming up next. Grab your spots for that one. Look on that link that says buy spots here. You can get the rest of the eBay spots for tonight's breaks. The retail break spots that I linked to the top of the chat, you can grab your spots in the NBA Prism 3 Blaster Box break. Do our recap. We had the Josh Downs Mim for the Colts. By storm, Marvin Mims for the Denver. Bryce Young, rookie for the Panthers. Dalton Kincaid on the Mim for Buffalo. Will Levis, rookie. And we got the Kyler Murray explosive ultra rare insert right there for the Cardinals. I sit for the Cardinals spot. That does it for the Absolute 2 Mega Box break. Let's do All right, let's get to the next break. And this is going to be our NBA break. Revolution NBA basketball. That list updated here. Got a couple spots left in this break. Two box break.